So here's the tools you're going to need to grease the Zerk fittings on your 4Runner drivetrain. Obviously, we're going to have a grease gun of your choice. This is my personal choice for this application, although there are some smaller handheld grease guns that could be a little easier. I'm going to be using the Lucas Red and Tacky grease, as you can see, and then some gloves and a rag just to keep the job as clean as possible. That's all you should need. All right, so we're underneath the vehicle now. We're looking at the rear differential there. We're going to follow the drive shaft all the way up to the front side of the vehicle, and you're going to see the very first Zerk fitting here, and that's on the slide yoke. So this is a two-wheel drive 4Runner 2000, and we only have a couple of points here to grease. Now, if you have a four-wheel drive 4Runner, you're going to have both a slide yoke and a spider application. And obviously there's going to be some videos online that you can reference for that and get some visual. I won't be able to provide that visual for you as I have a two-wheel drive vehicle. I like to keep my Zerks clean. If yours is dirty, I would suggest taking a shop towel, paper towel, whatever you have, clean it off. You definitely don't want to push any contaminants or dirt into the grease as you're putting new grease in. And it's also recommended that you do this every 5,000 miles or so. If you want to do it every oil change, certainly would be a benefit. All right, we've got our grease gun here. We're going to go ahead and plug it up. We'll push right on. Recommended about 3 to 5 pumps, or until you start to hear the new grease push a little bit of the old grease out. All right, we've got the front one done. Now we're going to follow this all the way down to the rear differential and tackle that one. Our Zerk fitting is pretty clean, but we're going to give it another clean off here. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. There we go. All right, now we're gonna get our grease gun on here and ready to roll. All right, perfect. So we put the grease in there until we heard that compression sound, and that's right when you know you've got the right amount in there. And that is it, guys. An often overlooked yet easy quick fix, and a really important part of maintaining your third gen 4Runner. So take just a few minutes and make certain to keep those Zerks greased and your drivetrain operating smoothly. Until next time.